see one girl for the corner where they light up people.
Hello. Hop in, let me take you to my place.
Guys are risk. So you don't know somebody, you just pick up the person from nowhere and you want to knock. Just wow. Do you know if I'm from the waters?
Jesus!
What if I'm on a bungee?
Jesus!
And you start knocking and you lose all your destiny.
The blood
All
of
the good
Jesus.
things that you've
The
worked hard
blood of Jesus.
for. Okay, maybe I'm too spiritual, right? Sorry about that. Do you know if I'm asthmatic?
Are you playing? What type of
What if
playing
as
is
you're
this?
knocking and you drink and I lose it and I just die?
Jesus!
What are you going to tell the police?
Jesus!
What will you tell your parents
Jesus!
and your pastor? Anyway, come, let's do it.
Any between that for me, jump
Come on.